Hello, welcome to the class of Cybersecurity Foundation. So in this class, we are going to discuss about cybersecurity planning. So here, these plannings are done to protect the organization from various threats and attacks. So in this class, we are going to learn about the cybersecurity plannings like business continuity plan, incident response plan, disaster recovery plan, and the cessation plan. Next, computer forensics. So let's discuss about what is a cybersecurity planning. So the cybersecurity planning in an organization or the businesses is done to protect the infrastructure from damages caused by the unexpected incidents, cyber attacks, and the natural disaster, etc. So the type of planning that is done by the organizations are business continuity plan, disaster recovery plan, incident response plan, and the cessation plan. So let's first discuss about the business continuity plan. So the business continuity plan is a plan that allow a business team or the organization team to plan in advance, but it needs to be done to ensure that its key products and services continue to be delivered in the case of disaster or the cyber attacks. Whereas in disaster recovery plan, it allows a business to plan but need to be done immediately after a disaster or the attack to recover from the events. And it includes sets of procedures to recover and protect a business IT infrastructure. So here the BCP tells the business the steps to be taken to continue its key products and the services, while a disaster recovery plan tells the businesses the steps to be taken to recover after the attack or the disaster. Next is the incident response plan. So it is a set of written instructions for detecting, responding to, and limiting the effect of an information security event. So this incident response plan outlines the response personnel and the strategies that will be used to mitigate the incident. So this is the incident response planning. Next is the cessation plan. So cessation plan is a process in which new leaders are identified and developed to replace the old leaders when they retire, leave, or die. So the organization ensures that the employees are recruited and developed to fill each key role in the company. And the goal of this planning to make the business continuity in case most important person left its work. So these are the 4 planning in cybersecurity planning process. So next we discuss about the computer forensics. So the computer forensic is a process of collecting, analyzing, and reporting on digital data in such a way that is presentable in a court of law. So it is used in detecting and prevention of crime or any dispute. So the forensic is done in steps. First one is securing area. So in this, targeted systems are secured so that they used to be present in the court of law. Next is documenting scene. So in documenting the scene of the target system by taking the photos of the crime. Next is data collection by collecting the data from securing areas and documenting scenes so that can be presentable in a court of law. So this is the computer forensics. So the top computer forensic certifications are CCE, that is the Certified Computer Examiner Certification. And next is GIAC, that is Global Information Assurance Certification. So this is all about cybersecurity planning. Thank you.